day has been just dynamic. We invited all the community partners in St. Lucie County that serve the community in any kind of capacity to come and to just join us, and also to tour the facility to see how their organization can be a part of what we're doing. Pretty much all of downstairs, that has been our focus, which is pretty much just a visually uplift to the space. So what we've done is we created a business technology center where somebody can come utilize our computers, print out the documents that they need. We have a seminar room, classroom. We have community partner office spaces. Also, we have a TV production incubator, what we call the think tank, as well as a library. We have conference rooms available, and right now we're preparing for our internet cafe. Ink is so extremely important to the community because our purpose is to really just change the footprint of the Lincoln Park community. So to do that, we have to have a strategic, intentional approach that's going to revitalize the community. It's building wealth from within the community.